to discuss about basic introduction of this Pega CPDC. Okay, so before that, I'll just give my introduction. So, hi everyone, welcome to CDH training related demo session. So, myself, I'm Jansi here. Here, it's entire training period. We will try to cover different concepts related to CDH. Okay, so few people may heard about CDH and few may know about CPDC. So individually, what is the meaning of CDH and CPDC? All these things we will cover. Along with that, in this 1 hour of session, we'll try to divide into two parts. Okay. So for first 15 to 25 minutes, we'll try to connect for frequently asked questions. Okay. Because everyone, if they are trying to learn any new things, they may have so many queries with them, right? So to cover that, I have prepared a document. So first we'll try to cover that document related questions. After that, the remaining 30 to 35 minutes, we'll try to cover some technical point of view related CDH points. Okay. So what exactly the using of the CDH framework in the Pega platform, why we need to learn it. Okay. If you are trying to learn this CDH related framework, what are the different projects you may work and what are defined different related domains you may have the few things we will try to cover. And any queries still now? Facing any issues with my voice or flow? Just give me the confirmation.
All good.
Till now, any queries? It's fine, right? So here in first session, this is a demo 1. We'll try to cover frequently asked questions. Okay. So generally, what kind of questions you may have? To learn this CDH, what are prerequisites we need? And when we learn CDH, what are the opportunities? And if you are trying to learn something from any institute, what kind of help you may get, right? And what is the duration of this course? And what kind of stuff you may get from the trainer? All these things we will try to cover. So I'm sharing a document. So in this document, I have drafted few things. After discussing all questions around, I'll just give few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes of time. Then, if you have any queries, you can feel free to ask here. After that, only we'll just go with the next technical discussion. Okay. So here, the most frequently asked question here, if anyone want to learn CDH, prerequisites are needed to learn CDH. Actually, the point here I want to say is why the reason? Because CDH is one of framework in this Pega platform. Then to work on any kind of different applications related to CDH, mainly we need to maintain some fundamentals. Okay, so there are some basic fundamentals we need to maintain. What are that here? So whenever you are trying to work on any application related to Pega, we need to know about what are different properties. Okay, so what is the navigation to create properties and sections, flows, flow actions. After that, if I think people who joined for today's session, most of the people may know about Pega, right? Then only it will be better to know about CDH further. Whatever the technical related concepts I'm talking here, when you know already Pega related basic foundation, then only you can understand. Otherwise, you don't know what I'm talking, right? So the basic related fundamental rules we need. properties, sections, flow actions, flows. After that, we may have some case type design, right? Once case type design, if you know, basic business logic related rules also we need, right? Business rules. What are business rules generally we use to define some logic? Any one of you please respond. In Pega applications, what are different business rules we will use to define any kind of logic here?
Hi, this
Some
is
kind
Mahesh.
data pages.
So without knowing
Yes.
these rules, so we can't we survive this Pega CPDC.
Because these are fundamentals in the coming sessions, when suppose if you have something to do with the services,
Mm-hmm.
where in the services we need to write some logic to give as a source,
Mm-hmm.
right? So their activity is
Okay.
needed. So when you have the knowledge on activities, that is also one business rule. So when you have some at least basic things, what is activity, what is data page, what are data transform rules, and what are set of instructions within that. And then
Mm-hmm.
again, we also have to maintain some basic stuff on services. Why the reason here, that point also I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm.
When you are trying to learn customer decision hub, that is a framework, it will help you to connect with the different applications. In general, if we want to connect with any third party applications or some services, we have
Mm-hmm.
to take the help of services and connectors, right? So
Okay.
you need to maintain the knowledge on services related connectors. Mainly, it is a REST service. Okay. So that's what I'm telling you. It is recommended to have some prior knowledge on this basic rules of Pega.
Okay.
Can you tell?
Actually, so I'm new to this Pega CPDC. So how it will be helpful for me?
1 minute, I'll just plug in my
So
earphones. Give me 1 minute because I'm getting some echo.
sorry for the interruption. Are you able to hear me?
Okay, you can.
So sorry for the interruption. So
Hello.
actually,
Yes, yes, I can
I
hear
want to
you.
tell.
But
Oh, mhm. Actually, before 4.5 years, so I had some genuine experience in Pega, into Pega. So for 6 months. So
okay,
actually, I have been pulled into
okay,
some different role. So that's what I left Pega. So again, my friend suggested to me learn this Pega CPDC. So that's what
okay,
am committed to learn this Pega CPDA. So
okay.
how could it be helpful for me? So can
So
you briefly
currently,
explain?
are you working? Currently, are you working?
Currently,
And everyone,
I'm
please
working for
hold
but
on here.
different role.
Sorry for the
I'm
1 minute.
working for
So
okay.
everyone, please hold on here. Sorry for the interruption because he's
Mhm.
having some query that may be helpful for others also. That's what I'm raising this point here. So Mahesh, I think, right? You are asking me the question. So
Yes, my name is
currently,
Mahesh.
are
My
you
name is
working
Mahesh.
currently?
Yes, I am working, but I work in not in Pega.
But not
So
in
I am
Pega domain,
working
right?
in
Okay.
the
Then
different
here
channels.
there are
Yes,
different
but
ways to go. Okay. If you are really
I had
interested to work on Pega related projects, okay, either it may be on Pega or different framework related applications. There are two ways you can do. One, first of all, you have to maintain at least up to CSA level knowledge. Getting my point? Okay.
okay.
So
Yes, yes.
in
I'm,
that
mhm,
CSA level, actually, Harsha will take care about that. He used
mhm,
to give the training on CSA. Once you know about CSA, that will be around 1.5 to 2 months of duration. In that 1.5 to 2 months duration,
mhm,
he will teach you how to
mhm,
create application and what are different properties to create. and how to use different business logic rules like data pages, activities, data transforms, and some other rules. Okay, so then you
Yeah.
can join for the regular live training. Otherwise, another way you can get the recorded sessions from our team only. So
Okay.
you can spend some time on it. Then within some 15 to 20 days, you can gain the knowledge related to CSA. Okay. Then you can give a start with the CDH also, no problem.
Okay.
But without knowing basic
Okay.
like basic,
Parallelly, can't we?
what you can do, because if you're really interested and you have the time to spend, definitely it will be okay. You can proceed and you can go with the two trainings.
Okay.
But if you don't have that enough time and to do practice, I will not recommend. That is my point of
Okay.
view. Okay.
Okay. Got
So
it.
any
But
questions?
I know creation of properties and databases and
Then
activities
do one
and
thing, Mahesh. Do one thing. Just
yes.
contact me personally. Then I'll try to recommend if any other ways. Okay. Because
Sure,
this
sure.
is the
So, okay, okay.
session.
Sorry for your time. Actually, your valuable time I
Is
took.
going
So
fine.
you can continue. Just
They connected with
I got
some reason,
I
and
got a clarification. Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
yeah,
You can
absolutely
continue.
fine. This is fine. Okay, no problem. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
thank you. So we'll continue with our session, guys. So here we were discussing about first question, which is related to CDH prerequisites. So I think question is clear. So to learn any Pega related frameworks further, first of all, we need to maintain some basic fundamental basic rules knowledge. Okay. So to learn that basic knowledge, you have to get the training on Pega CSA. That is Certified System Architect level certification. You have to maintain. Okay. Then only it will be recommended to go with any other frameworks. Okay. Simultaneously, if you can do, you can do it, no problem. If already few people know about CSA, that is fine, no problem. Directly you can learn Pega CDH. It will be around gain more knowledge up to some level. Okay. So yeah, first
Your,
question is clear, I think, from my end.
your
Um,
voice is
I have
breaking.
given 1 minute. I'll just check with the connection. 1 minute, guys. With maybe some signal issue. Yeah, now also happening same. Is it fine now? Or same thing
It's
happening?
fine now.
It's fine, right? Yeah. So second question here. When we are trying to learn about new features of CDH, which version of course we are going to cover here? So here, latest 24.2 and 25 version also released. We will try to cover both 25, 24.2 along with 25 version. Okay. So this is nothing but here and there few new features they may have added. Okay. So the latest feature 24.2 and 25 version will try to cover in the training period. Okay. This is the second question. Third one, how many years of experience we can keep when you learn training from here? Okay. So minimum you can keep 3 to 3.5 years of experience. Why the reason I'm not giving more than that? Because you have to explore the concept more. Up to 3.5, whatever the knowledge I'm delivering, that is fair enough. Even 4 also fine. But more than that, it will be in the different level, like it will be in architecture level. Okay, so that's what once you learn course from these sessions, you can keep 3 to 3.5 years of experience in your resume. Okay, so how to do practice? Is there any personal edition available? Means why I have added this question here. If you are joining for Pega CSA and CSSA training, there is a personal edition available, right? Like at least 8.7 or 8.8 version related personal edition available. But for CDH, there is no such feature available. Okay. You have to do practice in the cloud edition only. So how to do it? All those ways, I'll just give the navigations, no problem. So there is no personal edition to do practice CDH course. You have to do it in the cloud edition only. So in the cloud edition, you need to log into PDN account. Once you log into PDN account, there are different mission challenges available. So in that mission challenges, you have to launch your portal. Okay. Then application related to CDH will open. In the CDH portal, you have to create an application and you can utilize the features of CDH. Okay. So clear till this, everyone? Any questions up to this one? Just give me the clarification once.
PDN, I think we require the organization ID, right?
Not like that. That question also have added. You can create with your own email ID. That is also fine.
Okay. Then it will.
Okay. That question also have added here. Okay. So, fourth question we have cleared. Next, what about certifications? And to do CDH course, what are the certifications we need? So, to go with the CDH profile, when you are interested to apply your profile as a CDH, okay, architect, like system related CDH developer, if you want to go, then it is needed to do CSA certification. Okay. So that is certified system architect related certification is needed. And then you have to do CPDC certification. Okay. So generally there are different ways. Once you already done with CSA certification, you can do CSSA and LSA on top of it. Otherwise, you can go with CSA plus CPDC. Okay. Then it is needed to do CSA plus CPDC certification. And then what is the process here? In this training period, what we will cover? That is the sixth question. So the process of training here, this is 45 to like minimum 40 to 45 days. If there are any holidays or any some emergencies, it may extend it to 2 to 3 sessions. Okay. So in this entire duration of course, we will try to cover from scratch to advanced level. That means why you are learning this CDH. Okay. So for that question, you will get the answer definitely after 15 days to 20 days itself. That is how our training will be. So most probably training process is 40 to 45 days duration. Every day 1 hour we have to connect from Monday to Friday. Okay. So timing, as you know, this is 7 to 8 p.m. IST. Okay. And what we will cover here, this point actually, it is related to curriculum, right? So what we will cover here, 1 minute. Maybe our team has shared that. Anyhow, I'll try to open this curriculum. So in this CPDC related certification course, actually you need to maintain knowledge on all the listed concepts. Okay. So these all are concepts we need to know. In this training period, day-wise schedule also I have prepared. So almost for 45 days duration, every day you are going to learn new concept. Okay. So actually this CDH is a connected portal. Okay. Where you have to get some inputs, you have to do some processing, and you have to um, give some outputs. Okay. With this CDH related applications. So that's what every day we will try to cover different concepts, like based on the context to whom you have to contact. Okay. And then strategy, this is a one technical rule which is related to defining some core business logic. Okay. Where this is also similar to your flow chart. And then where you have some scorecard models. All these are technical rules. In this initial session itself, if I tell you about all these rules, you may get some confusions. But no worries, guys. Definitely by end of this training period, like 45 days duration, definitely you will get more knowledge on all these listed concepts. Okay. All these listed concepts, because each concept may take 1 hour, or few concepts may take 2 to 3 hours. Means if I start one concept today, by Wednesday we may cover all those concepts. Okay, related to that particular concept. So that in this training period, we will take a concept, we'll try to discuss about theoretical point of view. After that, I will open your I will open my PDN account. There, after launching the PDN account, I will work on a application where real time related use case we will try to take, and we'll work on that use case. We'll try to execute it. We'll see how exactly we have to utilize a particular rule. Okay. So in the same way, our training will be. So overall, this is 45 days duration. In this entire 45 days duration, we will try to cover all the concepts which are needed to go with 3 to 3.0 years of experience profile. Okay. Next. PDN ID can we create with our own email ID? Means yes, you can create, because there is no that mandatory thing. Everyone, they have to maintain some organization IDs, right? Few people, they may not working, but they have to log into the PDN. Then what they have to do? So that's what there is a facility. They can create their own PDN account ID with own email ID. No problem. Okay. So next, what type of help you will get from the trainer? Actually, we will create a WhatsApp group. The persons who enroll to this course, we will create a WhatsApp group. There, all the co-participants also will be there. If any questions you may have, you can just paste there, no problem. I will respond most probably, because if even other participants who are there in the group, if they respond, the thing whatever you know, maybe little more than that only they know. So that's what I am also there in that group. They'll add my number. So immediately I will respond. Most probably 95 to 97% you will not get any questions, because I will provide screenshot by screenshot document also. When we discuss any new rule related to that one, I will attach theory documents. I will attach practical screenshot documents. Along with that, we will provide recorded sessions for 6 months of duration. Okay. So there is no problem with your practice. But one thing, you have to spend some time to do the practice. Okay. So without doing the practice, even that is anything apart from the education, that may be anything, no one will get success, right? So that's what, please try to do practice from your end, and that WhatsApp group is there for lifetime, no problem. So that's what, whenever you have any questions related to technical, okay, so some kind of any help related one, definitely you can reach out us, feel free, no problem. Okay. And then what about this resume preparation means? For this resume preparation also, definitely we will help you to prepare your resume. And how is the market opportunities? As you know, definitely nowadays it is going some slow only, but definitely when you have some concept with you, whenever if market is there, definitely you will be the first person to pick, right? So that's what you have to gain the knowledge. And definitely the persons who are having 3+ years of experience, hiring is going on, right? So next question, what about mock interviews? So for every 2 weeks, okay, means for every 15 days, I will take your mock interview. Okay, there is no other to take. I will take care about the mock interview. So within 15 days, most probably we may cover some 8 to 10 rules. In that 8 to 10 rules, you can give a mock interview, and that is the best opportunity to test yourself. So up to which level you are, is there anything to improve? Like that, you can question yourself by giving the mock interview. Okay. Then what about interview questions help? So I will attach interview questions related documents and related theory documents and screenshot documents in Google Classroom. So like this, you can see this is previous batch, and 36, 37 also it is going, right? So this is the one batch which is already completed, where you can see I will attach everyday documents here. You can see. Okay. So from day 1 to demo sessions, everything, including demo sessions, day 2, day 3, all these things I will attach here. Okay. So like this, related projects, if any zip files I have to attach, any screenshot documents are needed, all those things I will attach here. So definitely you will be having access to this Google Classroom for lifetime, right? So even after your training period, if you are getting any questions also, you can just open your Google Classroom and you can open documents and get the content wherever you have doubts. Okay. So like this, our process will be. So any questions more than this up to? So I think covered most of the questions, but anyhow, no problem. Any questions you have, you can ask here. Abdul, Abhinav, Archana, Deepti,
Yeah, I
Santosh,
have one question, you see. Yeah, like,
it's related to
are we going to start the practice on constellation based UI or traditional based UI for this
it's
decisioning?
related to normal traditional based only,
Okay, okay.
because
So
that is
can,
a different part. This is a different part, right?
yeah, yeah. I mean, in real time, can we achieve with the decisioning with the constellation UI?
This is a different one, right? Actually, it is a framework. Constellation is a different UI, right? That is UI related one. But that is not yet added here. If
Okay,
in the upcoming days, if anything added, definitely we will attach that recorded sessions also.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Sure, got it. Thank you.
Yes, yeah.
So will you cover any AI related feature in the CDH for the latest?
Actually, this CDH is associated with the AI models, right?
Right.
So, as part of these, we will cover adaptive models and predictive models. After that, scorecard model is also there, and arbitration. I think, suppose if you have knowledge on this CDH, these all are related to AI features. So, related to CDH assistance and some ADM related services, all those things we will cover here in this training period.
Okay. So the course, I mean, the version is which version? Pega 25
It is
version?
24.2 and 25
Okay.
combined together. Because few rules we will try to cover in this old version. We will try to cover few things in the latest version.
Got it. So and one more question. So
Mm.
will we cover in the CDH, will we cover this adaptive models and predictive models as well? I mean, some data science related
Data
stuff.
science is a different part, right?
And
Because
yeah, yeah, I
that is the
understand.
next level.
ADM models are predictive and adaptive models, which you said, right?
Only up to predictive model and adaptive model, but not that extended level, because that is a separate course, right?
Got it.
That is a level of a data scientist role. So that is a different level. Actually, here we can cover all the rules from basic to some level of advanced. Okay.
Any marketing related content also will be.
Marketing related content definitely we will cover, right? Decisioning plus marketing,
Got it.
like channel configurations, email channel, how to configure it, and SMS channel related one, and then how to store the data into the interaction files and database related repositories. Okay. After that, channels related campaign executions. So all those things we will cover, no problem. But in the initial session, if I talk about all these things, persons who don't know about the rule names at least, they may get some confusion. So that's what I'm not talking about it. But all the things we will cover, no problem. I think Raj clear?
Yeah. Basically, the basics anyway, I'm aware of that. So I
Mm.
need
But
advanced.
any have even so you have some basic knowledge, but our course will be
Got it.
start from basic only.
Understand.
Yeah.
Because I'm
Yeah.
asking only the advanced related questions. Even if I have doubts on any basic level, also
No
definitely.
problem. You can contact me then personally, because others may have something, right? Other
Yeah.
questions. Yeah.
How can I contact? I mean,
Our team will provide. No problem, Raj. You can contact them. Just you can ask my number.
got
They'll
it.
provide. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Any others? Any questions?
I have one more question. Sorry to interrupt. So
Yes.
maybe after completion of this course, for the certification preparation, are you going to provide any kind of dumps?
Actually, for the latest version, there are no dumps related screenshots actually. But for older versions, we have that I can share. If in the coming days, if I have like if I got anything, then I can share. No problem.
So which version right now the certification is available for CDH
It is
for the CP?
latest version only. You can do it. In the
Okay,
latest
okay,
version, you can do it.
okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you going to start with along with the CS, Pega CSA,
No.
or
Because
when it will be?
CSA is a different stuff, right?
Okay.
Everything's to start from CSA again. It will take 2 months more.
Mhm.
So CSA is different. That will take care by the other trainer. This is
Okay.
CDH. Actually, it is a different framework. Okay. So that thing also we will cover. Up to this one, clear everyone? If any questions related to general, like any questions related to this one?
Jansi, I had one question.
Yes.
See,
Mridula.
See, whatever course training you're going to provide for CDH,
Okay.
maybe from architectural front, like whatever training you're providing, is it only for development standpoint as a CDH developer only it will work, or it will be fetching us the architectural side of design aspect also?
So this will be up to development part. Because
Okay.
more than that, you have to maintain knowledge more related to AI models, related to,
Mm.
as previously I think Raj asked, right? Related to
Mm.
adaptive models, predictive models. There are different types also in that. So all those things, that is a different level. Definitely, you have to get that content from PDN only. If
Oh,
you want
so this is a
more than that
basic
level,
course. Okay.
not like a basic, you can go with up to 3 to 3 plus. Okay.
Mm.
But more
Okay.
than that, if we want, if anyone, then we have to
Mm.
explore in the PDN only.
Okay. So PDN is a primary source.
Yeah. Then once you go with the PDN challenges, where there
Mm.
are different levels, right, related to challenges, then definitely it will be better option. But persons who don't know at least how to launch it and how to explore different rules, and there is a connection between one to other particular rules, right? Then it will be recommended to get the training.
Okay. Thank you, Jansi.
Yeah. So
Hello, Jansi. I have a question. So, will there be hands-on also?
yes, definitely, Preeti. Definitely. Because 1 minute, I'll show you that also.
Sorry,
For
I joined
every
a bit late.
concept. Sorry?
So, sorry, I joined a bit late, so I was not aware.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. So for every concept, suppose if I discuss about some data join or decision data, let's say that is a concept. Once
Mm,
after discussing about this concept, I will definitely take a use case and I will explain about that use case with a practical execution and some screenshot documents
Okay.
along with
So
the
how much
navigation
do you
video.
think like they are
Sorry,
using CDH outside?
sorry,
So
sorry.
no, I was just going to ask like how much do you think like most of them are using like CSA and CSSA? So
Not like
how
that. Everyone, they may have different scopes. Suppose there are different frameworks associated to Pega, right? So
oh,
related to CDH, there is a demand. Customer service, there is a demand like related to some onboarding related frameworks. So for everything, there is a different demands, right? So when
okay,
they are already working, but some data they may get right. So their upcoming project will be there on CDH. That kind of persons more interested to learn CDH
okay. It's
because that
according to
is, yeah,
project.
according to their project and their team related things and their personal interest also.
Okay,
Okay.
understood.
Yes.
Mm,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Any
I
other
have,
question?
yeah, I have one question.
Yes.
So the examples, the practical sessions, right? Hands-on. So are they going to be just a standalone screen by screen simple examples, POCs to
Not
show the
like that.
concepts,
There is
or
a connection also. Suppose if we are discussing about some front end related, let's say there is a customer, he is having some related query. Okay. So when they reach out to the so and so application through suppose Amazon application, they have contacted. Okay. Then that request related analysis also we have to do. And that interaction is listed in the IH or not. Such kind of analysis also we have to do. Okay. So we will get the data. Means we can ingest the data, we can process the data by combining with different AI rules. After that, we will provide outcomes as next best actions. Clear?
okay, so it'll be like an end-to-end application
Yeah, it
connecting
will
all
be
the
like
concepts.
connection,
Okay,
connection only, but everything will not be like that because there is a dependency. One application may need up to few rules. Okay. So another application may
okay,
need some level of other rules. It's not that mandatory to use all the rules in one application. Okay. So based on
okay,
the requirement only, you have to utilize. So for that purpose, I have prepared different exercises and some POCs also. So one POC may they are using few rules, another POC may use different rules. Okay, so like that we will take some use cases, one particular rule, how you have to use, and what is the importance of that rule, where to use. First of all, if we have knowledge on any rule, we need to know where to use it, right? Once you know where to use it, definitely the application may be anything. If that is a requirement related to this rule, definitely you can apply it, right?
yeah, yes,
So
yes.
the
Okay,
purpose of rule and the use case we will cover mainly.
okay, okay.
Clear, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So almost it is 7:40, right? If anyone have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll try to proceed for next 20 minutes about some other things. Hello?
Ma'am, I learned Pega.
Okay.
So this CDH, how it can helpful for me?
No problem. I think you have knowledge on all basic rules along with the services, right? mainly REST
Yes, yes,
service.
I learned Harsha sir
Then
from
that is
Harsha sir.
fine because it is entirely a different thing. That is a different one, right? So
So
here
uh,
anyhow we will start from scratch only. So these are
only
some more additional rules.
okay. I mean, just I learned, but I'm not working on that. I'm Java developer.
But you
So
know the purpose, right? But no, I think you know the purpose of each rule.
yeah, Pega, I know
Yes,
everything
I'm telling about
perfectly.
Pega only.
Sorry?
I'm telling about Pega CDH.
Yes, yes,
I think you don't know, right? That's what you joined here. So for
yes.
CDH, I will take care about that. No problem. But
Okay.
regularly, you have to attend. Once you attend regularly to the sessions, then definitely no problem. By end of this training period, you will get some more knowledge previously, whatever you have. Okay? More than that only, you will get knowledge. Clear, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Tulsi, Sneha, Suraj, Satish.
Uh, I-
Aksha.
Jhansi, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
Are we covering one-to-one ops manager and BOE
Yes, yes, that is also we will cover here.
and complete knowledge and change request and all?
Yeah, related to that one, I will take a use case and the execution also we will cover. Like there are different actors will involve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see here. I'll just, yeah. So related to this BOE, mainly we will
And
cover this change
create
management process and
stand,
business operation team related one. Okay.
everything will be covered in one-to-one ops manager. And
Everything means based on the situation. Okay. So we'll be having fast release and standard release, right? So what is the use of fast release and what is the use of standard releases? So like that things we will cover here. Getting?
okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Jhansi, we will have practical sessions also, right?
Yeah, that is what I'm mentioning, right?
Oh,
Along with the practicals only, our sessions will be. That's what actually our session duration is increasing. Without practicals, we can cover it in even 20 sessions. But with the practical executions, it is extending to 45 days. Getting?
okay.
So for
Yeah, and
every
same
concept,
practical screenshot you are providing in documents.
yes, yes, for everything you can see here, right? Working with so on so rule, working with some other rule like this. Definitely for every rule, we will attach documents. And for every batch, documents will create newly only working documents.
Okay, same like the Harsha sir provide
Yes,
on
same as
CSSA.
similar to
Okay.
that only.
Good.
Clear?
Yeah, clear. Thank you.
Yeah, I think hope everyone understand up to this one and you are clear with your questions. Then next thing, so my next aim to cover in this session about CDH and CPDC. Okay, so once you know about the CDH in a clear way, after that we'll try to cover decisioning and marketing. After that, there are few more things also we have to explore. That is next best action and next best offer. Okay. Even both are sounds like similar. There is a huge difference. Okay. So about all these things and about NBAD template, that is next best action related templates, about CDH portals, car model, X car model. Okay, so all these things, there are different concepts we have to discuss, but day by day, most probably to get some minimum understanding level about the CDH applications, you need some 3 to 5 sessions of knowledge. Okay, so in this demo day 1 session, you got some idea like how the opportunities, what you will get, and what kind of content we may deliver. After that, any prerequisites are needed or not. Like that, in this 45 minutes, we have discussed, right? Next thing, we are going to cover what is CDH, and then we have to cover about framework also. Okay, like what is a framework and what are different frameworks are there, what is the use with the framework. Okay, so everything we have to cover, but we need to check with the time also. So whatever the possibility is there, up to that I can cover in today's session. If anything left to discuss more, we'll continue from tomorrow session. Okay, so here CDH, we'll start with CDH. Any one of you please just tell me what is CDH? It is a customer
Decision hub.
decision hub. And one more thing, please remember, it should be like 1-to-1 session. Okay, so everyone please try to speak here. Whatever the things you know, you can just try to tell here, and then whatever the questions you have, try to ask me, no problem. Okay, but please don't sit silently. By sitting silently, you'll not get anything, right? Just try to listen few things, and then in that, if you have any questions, you can just try to ask here. Okay, so CDH means it is a customer decision hub. In a general meaning, what is the meaning of hub? It is a very general question, right? What is the meaning of hub here? Why they just gave the name to the framework as CDH? That we will try to analyze here. What is a hub here generally? In general meaning, the word hub, why we use?
It's a central location.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, sure. That is the one. Whatever you are telling, that is correct. So here, hub is a central place which will help to connect and to manage multiple things, right? So where the exact meaning may vary based on the concept, but the main motto is same. Using the word hub, we can explain few things like this is a central place where which will help to connect and manage different things together, right? So here, what might be the central point? It is joining some kind of information and some kind of decisions after that which will help to connect the people. Okay, so suppose if it is one example you take airport hub, okay, where which will help to connect many flights, right? So that is a airport hub. If it is a data hub, which will help to connect data from different sources, right? So in the same way here in Pega, technically if we have to discuss, customer decision hub is the central brain for customers engagement. Okay, so what is the use of customer engagement to maintain? When we have a proper customer engagement, then only our organization sales will increase. When sales increase, automatically revenue of organization will increase, right? So nowadays, or anyone, if you take even including me also, for what purpose I'm working? For revenue only, right? To survive, everyone will work for some money. So that's what here they have designed a framework called customer decision hub. This is a central brain which will help to analyze different customers' data, to combine different business rules along with some AI features, and then different offers. Finally, this will help to connect with the people using different channels. Okay, so what are the channels we may use to connect with the people? There are email channels, SMS channels, web channels, and then call center related. Okay, so using different channels, we can connect with the people. So one example you can take, let's say there is an Amazon application. Why I'm taking this example only here in today's session? Because everyone who connected for today's session, you may purchase any of the product from Amazon, right? So if you order any product or you may have added any product to your cart, definitely you will get a reminder through using either email or from the customer care of Amazon application. You may get some reminders, right? So that in the back end, to analyze that, when you add any product, okay, when you add any product and you haven't completed the purchase, whatever the product you have added, after 2 to 3 days, you will get a reminder. Okay, then what is happening in the back end? They are analyzing your interest. Okay, they are analyzing your interest towards the product. When you are adding any product to the cart, there is a scope, there is a chance you may buy that product. Once you buy that product, what will happen? Sales of Amazon application will increase. Then automatically what will happen? Growth of organization also will increase. Okay, so for that purpose only, they have designed one new framework called Customer Decision Hub framework to combine all different rules together and maintaining as a central hub. Clear up to this one? Any questions, everyone? Just please let me know. Any questions? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, good with this.
No question.
Up to this one clear, right? What
Yes.
is this CDH and
Yes.
why the reason they are calling it as hub, like general meaning to analyze. Okay, then what are different things we can do achieve with this CDH framework application? Okay, let's say there is a product you may complete it with the purchase called laptop. Okay, so when you purchase laptop, the next recommendation should be what? Generally, in a general context, you can think. What will be the next recommendations they have to send?
Yeah,
Laptop screen guards and
Yes,
other
the
gadgets.
products related to laptop, right? If they
Yes.
promote products related to laptop, then only customer may interest to purchase further recommendations, right? Unless if you promote any other products which are not related to laptop, like if you promote any mobile phone or if you promote any kind of clothing, if you promote any household applications, whatever it may be, is there any conversation rate? Anything? No, right? So using this CDH, we have to take next best actions. Okay, so that is the final outcome of CDH applications. That is the main motto. Okay, at right time to the right customer, you have to promote right product. Okay, getting my point? So to do all these things, we have to take the help of decisioning part. Whatever decisioning is taking the decision using the marketing related rules, we are promoting. Okay, we are promoting to the customers. Clear everyone up to this one? So at right time to the right customer, you have to promote right product. Then only there is a more conversion rate. When customer converted means he buy the product which you recommended. What will happen? Definitely sales will increase and then revenue also increase. Getting my point? Clear everyone? So this is related to some Amazon application. Okay. Then what about in the other situations? Let's say if we take another example like telecom domain. Okay. Then what will happen in the telecom domain? What kind of offers we can promote? If customer is already holding some 1 GB data per day. Okay. Then what if you promote some less than 1 GB or 1.5 GB data per day with some less package? Which one is more suitable at that current customer situation? Just please let me know once. Any one of you?
Second one will be more suitable, 1.5.
Right. Then next example, there is a banking application. Okay. So from that banking application, they are promoting different cards like standard card, rewards card, premium rewards card, gold, platinum. Okay. Like that, there are different cards. Customer is the customer who is already holding gold card. If you promote platinum card, what will happen? Or customer is already holding a platinum card. If you promote gold card, what will happen? Two situations I'm explaining here. Customer is already holding gold card. If you promote platinum card, what will happen?
It's kind of the upgrade.
It's like a upgrade, right? Then there are some chances, right? What are chances?
He might
Customer
purchase.
customer may accept platinum card offer, correct? But what is happening here? If customer is already having platinum card, but we are trying to promote gold card, what will happen? We are degrading the customer. Then what will happen? Obviously, there is a loss, correct? So that situations we need to analyze. Based on the customer needs, we need to promote. Clear everyone? So all these kind of things we can do achieve with the CDH applications. Clear? There are different domains who are using CDH applications. So actually there is a presentation have prepared, but in this today session to cover this entire PPT, it is not possible, right? So definitely we'll try to cover all those things tomorrow related to this CDH and decisioning part. What is a marketing related NBA, NBO with different real-time use cases we'll try to discuss, and what are the benefits using this process of finding next best actions, what we will get to our organization. Okay, then what is NBA, what is NBO, why the business actually need this NBA process, and then what are the different types of marketings. Okay, and then what are different industries using these CDH applications, different roles when you learn CDH, what are different certifications you have to do. So all these things we'll try to cover in tomorrow session. So any doubts till this? And please don't miss to attend tomorrow also, because today and tomorrow is a connected session. So please try to connect regularly up to 5 sessions. After that, if you are really interested to join, then you can enroll to the course. Okay. Yes. Any doubts till this?
Jansi, it's always about the recommendation as well as the prioritization
Yes,
when it
it's
comes to.
related to prioritizing offers, finding the best customer, and it is all about related to one-to-one customer engagement. The
Always.
previous time, what will happen? Suppose there is a offer from so and so particular Amazon application or any whatever application it may be. They are preparing one campaign. In that campaign, they may add 1,000 customers, let's say. Okay. In that 1,000 customers, only 10% of people are interested with the offer which they are sending. What will happen? Unnecessarily, the remaining 90% of the people we are contacting, and among them, we may lose them, right? Because of some whatever, actually they are not interested, but frequently if we contact them, what will happen? Definitely they'll unsubscribe, right? So to avoid such kind of things, they have introduced this one-to-one customer engagement approach in the CDH framework. Okay. So the main motto of this entire CDH is this is a hub which mainly help you to connect some customer information. By analyzing the customer information and customer needs, we will promote some outcomes like next best actions. Clear?
Okay, no, you will talk about the evolution of CDH when you, let's say, if we enroll for this course, maybe tomorrow it's kind of another walkthrough. But let's say if you enroll, you will talk about what is the evolution of CDH, and from there you will talk about the milestones and accordingly, or how is it like?
Meaning that means what?
No, when I say evolution means, for example, see, we were all new to CDH, right? Maybe we know Pega, but we don't know CDH.
Okay.
For us, it's a lame language, newly introduction, right? In such a case, if you want to know in depth of CDH, maybe we should know why CDH. You gave a background of why CDH, but at a high level, we want to know the evolution of CDH means you will explain that also. I'm asking.
Yeah, that also we will explain. It means today how I explained like what is CDH, why they called it as like a CDH with the name, right? So in the same way, in tomorrow session, what exactly you can do with the CDH framework. Okay. Then after that, what are different projects we can do, and within the CDH framework applications, what are different rules you are going to use. About that, day by day, we will take one rule and we'll try to explore about that rule itself.
Okay, thank you.
Clear? Any questions? Got it right?
I got it. Thank you, Jansi.
Yes. Mrudula, if you have any more questions, you can directly connect with me, and others also. Any questions, you can contact our team, then they'll definitely share my number. So today we just discussed about some frequently asked questions, and then we discussed about CDH, right? So tomorrow we'll try to discuss about this presentation. After that, we'll try to continue with few more concepts. Okay. So yeah, I hope you understand for today. Jay Lakshmi, Abdul, Abhinav, Archana, Suraj, Sneha, Satish, Tulasi.
Yes, Jansi.
Yes,
And
yeah.
also one quick
And
question.
is it
So
okay
all
if
the
I skip
CDH
few? Because
related.
in the initial sessions, 1 minute, 1 minute. So because in the initial sessions itself, I want to, am I going fast or anything? Please respond once.
Yeah,
Session
session-wise
is
we are
fine.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Session is good, Jansi. We are able to understand. So I
Mm.
have a quick question. So all the CDH classes you will be taking, or there are
Yes.
other trainers as
No,
well?
no. I'm the person. I'll take care about all these things.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the specific time, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., or are we going to change this any timings?
Yeah. Actually, yeah, other batches, we will let you know. Like mostly it will be morning 7 to 8 again.
So Jansi,
Hello?
do you have any working experience on CDH?
Jansi, I have some questions.
Yes, definitely right. Hello, yes, yes. Who is that? Just one by one
Jansi,
you
this is
can.
Satish. Satish,
Yes,
do you
Satish.
have
Yes,
working
yes.
experience in CDH? Project
Yes,
implementation
yes, I
experience?
have that. Yes, related to that.
Jansi, I have
Okay, is it at
some
the
queries
developer
of
level or you have at the architect level?
Developer level, like 4 to 5 years in between.
Okay.
So Jansi, if you are already having the advanced sessions, so will I continue the advanced sessions also? Anyway, so basic also I will be joined. But if you are already covering, already started the advanced session in some other timings, so will I continue to? I mean, will I jump
Advanced in
to
the sense
that
like
session?
more than that, related to
I
some
mean,
models or
for
that.
example, my question is, for example, you started this session today, right? So maybe next few days, this will be start with the basic related contents, right? So, I mean, it's already, you already started any session. It's continuing more than 15 days or 20 days. So will I jump to that session?
Actually, this is the fresh batch that is already completed. Previous batch that is completed.
Yes, previous batch. If it is already parallelly running some other in the
No,
morning.
no, there is no running batch.
Oh.
Once we complete that batch, then only I will start new batch. So this is the new session
Got
to you.
Okay.
First session.
Okay. Yeah.
Otherwise, you
And
can do one thing. You can take that recording session, like recorded sessions. You can
yeah,
follow
I
that.
already gone
Here
through.
and there,
Yeah.
any questions,
Yes.
we can see.
Got it. I already gone
Then
through
no
a couple
problem.
of sessions, the basic sessions.
Okay. So you want to attend live sessions?
Yeah. So most relevant live sessions and real-time sessions. And for example,
Okay, but
if I'm
actually this
working
is
in
the
some
first
of the
one, right?
company, for example, I need such kind of some real-time experience. For example, I'm working in some XYZ company. So if I'm stuck in somewhere, at least I need the guidance and some help, at least.
Okay,
Those
that is a
areas.
different process, right, actually. So when you are working on some project related to a company, if
Yes.
you are like
Your voice
if
is
you are
breaking.
looking for any help, that is a different process. It's not that. That is what I'm telling. Here it will be like basic means 3 to 3.5 years of experience level you can keep. So and some model related advanced stuff, that is all together will be considered like a data science role. Okay, data scientist role. So that is a
Basically,
different batch.
I'm looking the not only for the CDH level, at least LD, I mean that LDA level. So I'm looking for the LDA level with practical exam.
So that if in future we will, if we start, we will let you know, because not at that started. If anything more than that, definitely. If they are any other persons
Even
who connected with
even
us,
not
we will
in
let
this
you
session, at least like the personally or like for example, like from the this
we'll try to connect with you, Raj, because
sure.
if any other persons are there who are having more than that.
Got it.
Yeah. So okay, then we'll try to wind up session for today, and we'll connect tomorrow. So please don't miss to attend. We will start from same time, 7 to 8, and we'll try to explore about this presentation with some use cases. Okay. Yeah.